Let's take a look at this BlenderBottle Strada Shaker Cup. This is the perfect cup for protein shakes or pre-workout shakes. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the one I used to use and this new one that I just got. The new one has a handle on the top so you can easily hold it with just one finger. It's also got a locking cap. This allows you to lock the cap so that it doesn't pop open accidentally. Another nice feature is the rounded bottom. If you've accidentally put powder in before your liquid, then you have seen the powder get stuck in the corners and it's very hard to mix it into the liquid. But with the rounded bottom like this, it prevents that from happening. Let's take a look at the blender ball. It's a great and simple design. Also, if needed, you can remove the rubber gasket inside for cleaning. To open the cap, you just have to push and pull up. It's very simple. I'll go ahead and demonstrate it now. Every time BlenderBottle revises one of their products, they make it better. And this one is no exception. There's quite a few more features than the previous generation. I highly recommend this product. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.